guys, unbox with me. We have a pack from, I think from Shein. Shein were doing a promo that they will ask you to pick, I think 4 things or 5 things, and you pay for one. So I just tried it for the first time, and I'm gonna be putting here the picture of the things I ordered. This was what I actually got, guys. I don't have my ring light because I just want to do it very quickly because I'm taking the kids to lesson and my husband wants to leave for work. Let me just show you guys quickly what we got. Wow, I love unboxing. I think this is for hubby. We have, yeah, the promotion was pick 4, pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pick 4 things, and the 5th one will be for free. The 5th one I paid for was the one for hubby, while the other ones are free. Let's start with the one I paid for. Jesse, Brian, go put on your trouser for lesson. Be fast. Jesse, go give him something to wear. Wow, it's so beautiful, guys. Look at it. It's a casual short. So guys, this is a casual short. Hubby actually doesn't know because he will be like, you buy too much. So this is the shirt. Even if he doesn't wear it, he can use it for work because it's too... The short, the material of the short is actually better than the material of the shirt. I don't know, it kind of look cheap. I'm sorry, Shein. Yeah. And it costs $14, 40 something. I'm gonna put the picture here, right here. So let's move on to the next one. You're gonna be hearing some noise in the background. Let me pack it back. So guys, this is the next one. These shorts for workouts or biker shorts, how you call it. 2. I'm gonna be putting the picture here. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I don't know if it will fit, but anyway, I didn't spend money on that. And yeah, we'll pack this quickly. So guys, this is the shirt for me because I took 2 things for myself, the shorts and this shirt. This shirt that I can be wearing with the shirt in the house since the weather is hot these days. I'll put the image here. Free. So if someone sends you a Shein link that they are doing promo, if you have little money, please click on it and play. It actually works, guys. I've never win anything from Shein, from all those platforms. I've never tried it because I always believe it's fake. They will make you send link for free. This one, I didn't have to send any link. I just had to pick 5 things and I paid for just 1. That was it. So I picked this for my princess. I think it was for 5 years old. See, I picked this. It looks so beautiful, guys. Look, I'll also put the picture here. It's giving what it's supposed to be given. And last but not the least, I got this. Oh my god, I think it will be too small for my daughter. Jeans. Wow. Oh my god, princess has grown tall and I think this will be quite small for her. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna leave the prices here and how I play the game. You will see free, and then you will see the one I paid for $14, guys. So thank you for watching and unboxing with me. Bye.